So today I'm going to be talking about hypertension, which is also known as high blood pressure. To start off, the definition of high blood pressure is a state of great sociological stress. The prevalence rate of hypertension is in white men is 23.2% versus black men, which is 28.1%. In white women, it is 23.4% versus black women, which is 27.9%. This is across all ages. Where does hypertension occur? Hypertension occurs in the arteries and is from when the blood pushes against the artery walls. This can affect many things in your body, like your brain and your lungs, and it can affect your skeletal system and respiratory system. This also comes from your control system not regulating your blood pressure correctly. Signs and symptoms. They can come from headaches, nosebleed, loss of appetite, blurry vision, but a lot of people do not have any symptoms of high blood pressure. Some health consequences of hypertension are heart attack, stroke, blurry vision, some memory loss, and it can even have sleep disorders. Potential prevention strategies go from as little as a walk a day, or you could change your diet and try to maintain your stress very well and have something to get away so you don't have as much stress from work or school to cause high blood pressure. Some treatment, a lot of doctors start your treatment with just your lifestyle changes, like eating a less salty diet, limiting alcohol, don't smoke, going to a sauna every now and then, and having some meditation. Make sure you're getting plenty of sleep. And if those lifestyle changes don't work, you can be put on medication that will lower your blood pressure. Mortality rate across all ages and gender is 23.1%, and morbidity rate across all ages and gender is 48.1%. Hypertension through sports medicine. So when you go to the doctor and they diagnose you with hypertension, they will tell you you need to exercise 30 minutes a day, and that can include walking, running, swimming, doing housework, just getting up and moving around and not becoming sedentary. This can also be through PT. There are many ways that high blood pressure can be treated and prevented, and it all can be through sports medicine, and how all you need is to get up and move and walk around and not become sedentary. Everything that you do that involves some kind of physical activity can lower your blood pressure.